This video is to show you how to navigate to our benefits resource portal on our Human Resources webpage for information about our benefits. What you'll want to do from the CSU Stand homepage is just come up to the right-hand corner of the page where we have this Resources for Staff link listed. You'll go ahead and click on that, and that'll take you to the Staff Resource webpage. From here, you'll want to scroll down to the section where listed as Payroll, Benefits, and HR. And under this section, you'll want to go ahead and click the Explore All HR Services link. This will take you to the Human Resources webpage, and from here, you'll want to go to this left-hand column and click on the Employee Benefits link. That'll take you to the Benefits Resource portal, and from here, you'll be able to access everything benefits related. Specifically for this video, I'll also show you how to navigate to the benefits enrollment form by clicking on this link right here. This will take you to an overview page that has a lot of general information about the form itself, and then the actual form is linked right under this first paragraph, which by clicking on it will pull up the form. Additionally, I also wanted to mention the View and Compare Benefits Provider page, as this will list all of the providers that are mentioned on the form. The first thing listed is a brochure of each plan that we have to offer on campus. If you were to click this link, it would pull up a pamphlet like this that provides a ton of important pieces of information about each plan. Additionally, right below there, in this comparison section, we have a link called 2022 Medical Premium Rates. By clicking on that link, it'll bring up this spreadsheet, which will give you a price breakdown of each of the plans and 3 levels for each plan as well. Those levels being how much the plan would cost if it was just you on the plan, if it was you and one individual on the plan, or if it was you and 2 or more individuals on the plan. And you'll want to refer to this 2022 amount paid by employee column for those prices. Also on this page, we have the same setup for our dental plan with our PPO HMO plans bracketed off, and then you'll just want to refer to your bargaining unit to know which plans to refer to. And then we have a comparison section right below there for the dental as well. And then lastly on this page, I wanted to talk about vision. Vision is at no additional cost to you or to any of your dependents. It is entirely free at the basic plan that all employees are enrolled into. If you were interested in upgrading to VSP Premier, more information about the plan can be found on the voluntary benefits page, or if you're just curious about what's entailed into the basic vision plan, you can refer to the VSP page.